Face oils are the best thing you can use on your face. No, face oil is the best. Again. Plant oils are the best thing you can use on your face. Why? Because they're full of minerals, vitamins and antioxidants, all making your skin looking super healthy and super radiant. But they're no use unless you use them correctly. So in this video, I'm going to really quickly introduce you to correctly using plant oils on your face. So step number 1 is cleansing your face. So after you cleanse your face thoroughly, hopefully using the oil cleansing method, when your face is still damp, you need to apply a humectant to your face before. What is a humectant? It's a substance that is able to hydrate your skin. Why do you need it? It's because oils are not hydrating your skin, they are locking the moisture within your skin, but if there is not enough moisture to start with, you really need to bring the moisture in. So we are using hydratons for that purpose, hydroton number 1 or hydroton number 2, depending on your skin type. Hydroton contains vegetable glycerin in it, and that glycerin, when put on the wet face, binds the water molecules from surface of the skin deep into your skin. You're gonna use a very small amount of the hydroton. Basically, half a pump is enough for your whole face, and you're going to rub it into your whole face using your fingertips. That's easy, that's done. Now your skin is beautifully hydrated. We need to lock this moisture within the skin, and to do that we're going to use a couple of drops of the day or the night oil. And again, you're gonna just take a couple of drops and you're going to redistribute the oil over your whole face using your fingertips. And a really important thing to remember here is don't wait for your skin to get dry. You want to do it while your skin is still damp. This is going to allow you to really distribute the oil evenly, and the oil is going to absorb much faster and you're not going to look shiny. After you've done that, wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and you are ready. You can apply your makeup. When used correctly, the plant oils are making a wonderful makeup base, and you can follow as normal with all your makeup soon after using them. We also done a great video called 7 most common mistakes when using plant oils on your face, and I would recommend that you also go and check it out. But other than this, that's really the routine that you do mornings and evenings, and I hope this was useful to you. And if you have other questions or comments, please drop me a note below this video, and I hope to see you soon for the next one.